Hello everyone. Tashina Gonzalez here with Vida Activa. And I just want to come in here right quick and tell you guys some amazing, wonderful, awesome information. And so a little bit ago, we were talking all about spring cleaning and all of the amazing and wonderful things that we want to be doing for that. And we were highlighting all of those. And now I have some great news for you that you guys can get a Thieves Premium Starter Kit now at a lower cost price so that you can start your toxic free wellness journey. So someone just today asked me about what they could do for allergies, and one of the first and foremost things you need to do in order to get rid of allergies is get the toxins out of your home immediately. Therefore, the candles that you are using and the cleaning products that could have toxins in it that could cause asthma that you need to be using a mask for, get all of those things out of your house, and then from there you can make a wellness plan to get rid of allergies. So again, if you have let your account go with the Young Living family, or if you have been thinking about joining the Young Living family, you now have an option to do that at 60% off with our Thieves Premium Starter Kit so that you could jump right in to toxic free living. So again, if you had not ordered in a while, it's a great way to reactivate your account. If you had only bought a couple things in the past, it's a great way to upgrade your account. And if you're not yet with the Young Living family, then you want to jump on this deal immediately. So what are you going to get with that? So you are going to get a 15 milliliter bottle of Thieves. Now Google the story of Thieves. Thieves is fabulous and amazing. And actually, in the class that we did yesterday, I talked about it. So if you need more information, I can send you that video. You're also going to get 2 of our hand soaps. So this is a plant-based hand soap. This is going to give you everything that you need. We know that one of the things that we're doing all the time right now in the month of May 2020 is washing our hands constantly. So to have an amazing thing that is plant-based, chemical-free, not going to dry you out, have 2 of these on hand is absolutely fabulous. Another thing that you are going to get is you are going to get our amazing Thieves mouthwash. So this mouthwash here is plant-based. It's not going to have any chemicals, not have any damaging effects. And in addition to that, it has colloidal silver in it. That's right, everybody, colloidal silver. So if you don't know the benefits of colloidal silver, you need to go ahead and research that immediately. You're also going to get our Thieves toothpaste. So our Thieves toothpaste, again, plant-based, chemical-free, and this is going to have coconut oil in it for you. Have you heard of the benefits of oil pulling? How about you oil pull every single time that you brush your teeth? So you want to have that on hand as well. Those soaps I just showed you, you're going to get 2 of those actually. You are going to get 2 of these Thieves cleaner. So again, get the chemicals out, support your respiratory system, and clean with a plant-based cleaner. Additionally, you are also going to get 2 Thieves sprays. So these sprays has the alcohol content that is necessary to be approved for a good surface cleaner. So this is actually what I use if I have to go out. I will spray this onto the shopping carts. I spray this on the door before I walk out of my condo here. So this is what I use for my surface cleaner. And then you are going to get 2 hand sanitizers. So again, this has the approved level of alcohol and does exactly what we need it to do. So that is what you're going to get in your Thieves Premium Starter Kit. But as you can see, I just showed you guys all that stuff right there. So the best news is we can get together, hop on a Zoom, get you set up with your account in 5 to 10 minutes, and then I could drop this off over your house. This is what we call a flip kit. So you won't even have to wait. So that is what I want to share with you guys today. If you are not on the Thieves bandwagon yet, if you don't have all these plant-based goodness in your life, now's the time to get it with, again, a price drop from $160 down to $125. A huge steal. And then last but not least, don't worry, if you're already part of the Young Living family, there's a way for you to get all of that stuff together around the same price as well. So Appreciate you guys as usual for joining me tonight, and I look forward to talking to you later in the week. We are going to have so much amazing stuff going on. Tomorrow night, we are actually having an amazing class in Spanish. Friday, I'll be doing my Feel Good Friday. And this month, what I am concentrating on is natural ways to deal with all of these underlying issues that are really plaguing people at this time. So I'm going to be doing videos on natural ways to deal with asthma and heart disease and diabetes and all of that stuff. So make sure you are always tuning into me. And if you don't catch me live, because I'm doing it a little bit late like today, make sure you hop on my YouTube channel. It's just my name, Tashina Gonzalez. And click subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss anything. With that, I am going to end this for tonight, and I greatly appreciate you guys. Have an amazing evening. Bye.